We reached out for leadership training. Just first, we have never done that in our company for our frontline leaders. We saw that there were opportunities for improvement. Frontline leadership training for frontline manufacturing supervisors can sometimes be a tough task. You know, not everyone can buy into outside of the workplace training or soft skill communication training. So sometimes it's viewed as fluff, but you know, we worked hard with our employees. We believe that Georgia Tech brings the credibility of manufacturing to this training, and a lot of those employees that were skeptical in the beginning just bought in, saw that it was really tailored to manufacturing and how it could work for them in the real world, and really just bought into the training and have really enjoyed it.
The first round of training classes were basically teaching us how to engage with employees, how to express empathy, support, you know, these different principles that are important to engaging with you know, team members on a day-to-day basis, and kind of how to troubleshoot and problem solve, you know, different situations that might arise in the workplace. It's very involved, I'll say, instead of just being lectured and told, you know, what you should do and how you should go about things. It's more dynamic and involved. It's easy to get in that day-to-day grind and, you know, just, you know, running around with your head on fire. But I think they can approach it from a different perspective, and that they can see that they can utilize some of these tools to bring team members up and to make us overall a better company and a better business and a better group of just all-around team members.
The impacts and results we've seen from the training with Georgia MEP has been amazing. Our turnover has dropped. We conduct employee net promoter scores, asking our people how they would recommend working for us at Mountville Mills. Those scores have increased since then. We believe we have become more efficient due to our turnover rates dropping. Thus, in turn, we've picked up better delivery times, better products, and even picked up some massive customers that never did business with us, but see how we're doing things and how good we are. And this training will be a part of what we do in many years to come.